not like their chances. Look at that headbutt. Oh, that's a brutal headbutt. Oh! Bam, another kick. Saw that one time. You hear those left connecting? Nice backbreaker. In a boot to the gut. Knocked into the middle of next week. Oh. What the fuck as these two collide? And the knuckles connect. And he gets out of the way. And he gets back in. From the German suplex. Eliminator. He's got evil intentions. Another stiff kick. Eliminator's been very impressive so far. Bam! Reversal. Oh. And that's a stiff kick. Fist to the gut. Suplex. DDT. And there's the elbow. Oh! This man! Eliminator. Reacting on instinct there. Eliminator. He knows his opponent is completely helpless to resist the submission hold. Oh man, this has gotta hurt. And I'm sure we're going to see the handprint left on that chop. The sleeper hold is locked in. This could be it. Yeah, he's got a counter here. I don't know what he's going to do, but if he doesn't, he's in deep, deep trouble. This matchup could be over. This is such a painful hold. Avoids the impact here. He almost took his head off with that lariat. Well, that's it. Lateral press. And Eliminator kicks out at 2. Into the ring now. I think momentum's changed one more time. Oh, wow. Dear God, look at that. A DDT on the open. That's going to be it. Oh, and that's a nasty collision with those steel steps. He's not exactly popping up to his feet here. Well, what do you expect, Michael? Did you see what just happened? Ooh! Oh no! Wait a minute, Cole, what's he gonna do here? And there he goes, under the bottom rope. And maybe some order will be restored here. Oh, nice reverse. Oh, that was a serious shot there. Reversal. Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there. He may get the 3 count right here. Great move. Oh, jeez. What a collision. Deposited onto our table here. And he gets leveled. Submission locked in, and this might be it. Oh man, look at his face. The pain has to be prickling. He's out of trouble there. Eliminator reversed it. This could be huge. More damage. Into the cover, hooks the leg. And there's the save. And that was only a 1. A fever pitch is here in the WWE Universe. I don't like this. And his opponent might like it even less. This guy's just getting worn out. And he's heading back inside the ring. The Dominator. What a deadly submission hold this is. We might see a tap out right here. Oh, he's got to do whatever he can here to try to break this hold. Just a dominating display. Yeah, I think we can see a lot of it. That's it. He's done. Well, this is going to be spun outside the ring. And it looks like we could be heading back into the ring. And this has got to be it. 1, 2, 3. That's it. The match is over. This was a match that was simply mesmerizing.
Your winners, Smasher, Crusher, and X.
Absolutely amazing. We knew he felt he had to win this one tonight. I mean, there's absolutely no way to underscore how big this victory is. Perhaps the biggest in his life.